If you're a homeowner, consider doing some upgrades or renovations to your house to make it more comfortable and functional. However, financing home improvement projects can be daunting, especially if you're unsure of the options available. In this blog post, we'll provide you with some tips and insights on how to finance your home improvement projects, so you can make your dream home a reality. From personal loans and credit cards to home equity loans and government programs, we'll explore the pros and cons of each financing option and help find the one that best fits you. Whether you want to remodel your kitchen, add a new bathroom, or create a backyard oasis, this guide will help you fund your home improvement projects confidently and easily. Financing options. If you're a homeowner, you know there's always something to fix or upgrade around the house. Whether it's a leaky roof or an outdated bathroom, home improvement projects can add value to your property and make it a more comfortable place to live. But how do you finance these projects without breaking the bank? In this post, we'll explore some financing options for home improvement projects and provide tips that help your financial situation. Personal loans. Personal loans are popular for financing home improvement projects because they offer flexibility and convenience. Personal loans can also be used to pay for anything from a new roof to a kitchen remodel, and you don't have to put up your home as collateral. Additionally, personal loans often have lower interest rates than credit cards, which can save you money in the long run. One important consideration when choosing a personal loan is the interest rate. The interest rate you'll qualify for will depend on your credit score, income, and other factors. Some lenders also offer secured personal loans, which require collateral. Secured loans typically have lower interest rates than most unsecured ones. However, you can only lose your collateral if you can pay. Home equity loans. Home equity loans are another popular option for financing home improvement projects. These loans allow us to borrow against the equity in our homes, which is the difference between your home's value and the amount you owe on your mortgage. Home equity loans, in most cases, have lower interest rates than personal loans or credit cards, and the interest may be tax deductible if you use the loan to improve your home. One important consideration when choosing a home equity loan is the risk of foreclosure. Because you're borrowing against your home, you could lose your home if you can't repay your loan. Home equity loans often come with fees, such as appraisal fees, closing costs, and annual fees. Credit cards. Credit cards can be a very convenient way to finance home improvement projects, but they also come with risks. Credit cards often have high interest rates, which can add up quickly if you carry a balance. Additionally, using a credit card to finance a large project can put you at risk of maxing out your credit limit and damaging your credit score. If you use a credit card to finance your home improvement project, look for a card with a low interest rate and a rewards program. That can help you save money. Some credit cards offer cash back or points for purchases, which can be used to offset the cost of your project. When financing home improvement projects, it's important to do your research and choose the option that's right for you. Consider your budget, credit score, and each option's potential risks and benefits. With the right financing, you can make your home improvement dreams a reality. Conclusion. In conclusion, financing home improvement projects can be daunting, but several options are available to homeowners. Personal loans, home equity loans, and credit cards have advantages and disadvantages, and it's essential to carefully consider each option before deciding. Factors such as interest rates, collateral requirements, and the risk of foreclosure should all be considered when choosing a financing method. By researching and selecting the right option, you can make your home improvement dreams a reality without breaking the bank. Remember, the key is to plan carefully, stick to your budget, and choose a financing option that fits your unique needs and circumstances. Thanks for watching. Learn more at homeimprovement89.com. Click link below.